Díodíobh agus fáiltearás go GAEILGE An Modh Coinníollach, agus má táú nua an seo, díoduit agus fáilte. Fáilte arás a chairde ní raibh mé i hí ar an toladh ag deanú físe mar seo le fada an lei. Tá cupán té agam mar is grach, cad té mar atá tú ar fáil ar gailigeimeachraí.com más mian libh ceann mála mé. Tá mé ar bís inniu mar bé mé ag múnú drumroll leabhar dul an Modh Coinníollach. Ná bíú agla orb, tá agla ar go leor daoine, barí ar daoine inéan roimh an Modh Coinníollach. Más fólamórthú as tír eile, tá seans nach dtuigeann tú cothaige a bhfuil agla ar dhaoine. Ná tá seans nach dtuigeann tú an Modh Coinníollach, like céadé sin. Ciallaíonn an Modh Coinníollach ná an Modh Coinníollach the conditional tense, the conditional mood. And in English, that's basically the word would. You would do something on one condition. Conditional mood, there's a condition or conditions. For example, I would go swimming if it weren't raining. There's an if. I would do this on the condition that it weren't raining, but it is raining, so I'm not going to. In English, we just say would. I would eat, I would go, I would drink, I would have. Ach, sa Gaelic, we have conjugations, like most languages. Inniu arcí muid ar na bríomhre rialta. Mar gcónaí tá bríomhre a bhfuil siúla amháin acu agus bríomhre eile a bhfuil dheartheola acu. Tásóidh muid leis na bríomhre níos gearra, na bríomhre nach bhfuil ach siúla amháin acu. Mar hampla buin, ghlach, ban. Deir daoine go bhfuil an Modh Coinníollach ceannail cásadh leis an amsar chaite agus an amsar aisteanach. Agus tíbhí tú inis go tuige a bhfuil sé cásadh leis an amsar chaite. Mar an chéad rud, séimhú donna consan, dícasú donna gotaí, dícasú agus séimhú donna bríomhre a thosaítear le F. F is greedy. Sin an rud a thuúla mé. An sin caithfí muid feicáil a bhfuil sé céal nó leathan. Win, ghlach, dan. Win, and bhfuil sé céal nó leathan. Céal. The last vowel is an I. Ghlach, leathan. The last and only vowel is an A. Dan, leathan. A again. Now we have to conjugate them. There are different conjugations depending on whether it is céal nó leathan, slender or broad. So what I tell people to remember the conjugations for the one syllable is hin ha hu. Hin ha hu agus sinné. Slán go fóil. Tá níos lú réim níthe ag gceannaigh olú dala an scéal. Bé mé ag múnú faoi cheannaigh olú. Ar dús win. Seo an sampla. Let's go from I would take to they would take. So we're going to use the example, I would take enjoyment out of it. I would enjoy it, but that's how we phrase it in Irish. I would take enjoyment out of it. Winhin, sult as. Winhin. Winha. Winha. Winhid, she. Winhid she. Winhid she. Winhid shiv. Winhu mudge. Winhid shiad. Winhin, winha, winhid she, winhid she, winhu mudge, winhid shiv, winhid shiad. So you may have noticed how I said winhid she and then I said winhu mudge. So a gceannaigh olú, before the pronouns that begin with S, it's pronounced hid, hid, winhid she, winhid she. Otherwise, it's pronounced who. That's when the hin ha hu works. The pronouns, mainly it's hin ha hid. Ach is fearlam hin ha hu. Tá sé níos spríúla. Sin canaimid olú, I gceannaigh si eile, I gceannaigh de muan go cinnte úsáidtear a winhamísh, winhamísh in áit winhumwich, winhamísh. Or winhamish. Winhamish or winhamish. and they probably wouldn't say win, they'd say bhuin, bhuin, bhuinhimish, tá brónar, níl canis na mún agam. Agus an áit bhuinhid siad, they would say bhuinhidísh, hidísh, glach anish. So glach, tá sévu on, agus tá glach Latin is brithir Latin é glach. Glachan, glachan. I would take glachan an bus. I would take the bus. Glaccha, glaccha. You would take glaccha an bus. You would take the bus. Glachid sé, glachid sé, glachid she, glachid she, glachú muj, glachú muj, glachid shiv, glachid shiv, glachid shiad, glachid shiad. They would take. Tá mé chóbrad o lasam hain, because sometimes when your throat's dry, it's really hard to do that ch sound, but that was coming out beautifully. So hin ha hid or hin ha hu. And let's do fan as well. Dan hin, dan hin. I would stay or wait. Dan hin sawala, dan hin sawala. I would stay in the home. I would stay at home. Danha, danha, danha sawala. You would stay at home. Danhid she, danhid she, danhid she, danhid she, danhimwij, danhimwij, danhid shiv, danhid shiv, danhid shiad, danhid shiad. They would stay, they would wait. Anish bogi major rai gaji na brithra a will yahila aku. So ta came sa vresh and shaw. We'll take the verbs ceannaigh agus iri. Ceannaigh means to buy, iri means to get up, rise, become. So we can still follow the steps in the beginning of having shevu, dikasu, dikasu agus shevu. Ceannaigh can have shevu, so ceannaigh, ceannaigh. That's the past tense, but we're not going to stop there. We have some work to do. Iri, dikasu, because it begins with a vowel. Jiri, jiri. Anish and chem savresh, the extra step. We have to remove the ending. Two syllable verbs usually often end with AIGH or IGH. So we have to remove that here. So ceannaigh is going to become chean, we remove the AIGH, and jiri is going to become jir. Now we need to add on to them. So ceannaigh or chean, what we're left with, the last vowel is an A. So it's broad. The two syllable conjugations are as follows. Owen, oha, o. Cheannaigh, I would buy. Cheannaigh, Cheannaigh teach, Cheannaigh teach, Cheannaigh teach. You would buy a house. Cheannaigh sé, Cheannaigh sé, Cheannaigh sí, Cheannaigh sí, Cheannaigh muid. We would buy. Cheannaigh siv, Cheannaigh siv. You all would buy. Cheannaigh siad, Cheannaigh siad. They would buy. Owen, oha, o. Doesn't have as much of a ring to it as hin ha hu, but it'll do. And now moving on to a two syllable verb that is kale. There's a slight difference in spelling, same pronunciation. So jiri, jir, we're left with jir. We add on jirowen. So it sounds the same as cheannaigh, jirowen. Maybe a little more emphasis because there's an o fada, but E-O-I-N-N. So instead of having no fada, we're taking away the fada and we're putting an E at the beginning, so it matches. Cael, cael. Cheannaigh, or no, jirowen, jirowen. Jirowen níos muille, jirowen níos muille. I would get up later. I would rise later. Jiroha, jiroha. You would rise later. You would get up later. Jiroha. Jiroshe, Giroshe. He would get up, he would rise, he would become. Giroshi, Giroshi. Giromuj, Giromuj. Giroshiv, Giroshiv. Giroshiad, Giroshiad. Again, Owen, Olha, O. One observation I'm sure you might have is that we don't say may or to after I and you because the conjugations for them already have the I and the you in them. So if you say Ceannaigh and may, you'd be repeating yourself. I would buy. Ceannaigh means I would buy. Ceannaigh, you would buy. You don't need to say may and to. So Sinead, Anish, na ceistena. And arim cheisteach, the question form. How do you ask questions in the Modh Coinníollach? Tá simply, if you've learned I'm sure leabhar, I'm sure aistena, present, future, which you should have definitely learned those before Modh Coinníollach. It's the same rules. An agus uru to put it in the question form. Let's go back to buin, the one syllable verbs. An winha. An winha soltas. An winha soltas would take you enjoyment out of it. Would you enjoy it? Winhin. Winhin. That's how you can respond. Would take enjoyment out of it. You can just say winhin. Negative, ni winhin. Ni winhin. Would not take. Not would I take. An winha soltas? Winhin. Ni winhin. An lakha an bus? An lakha an bus? Would you take the bus? Chlaken. Chlaken. I would take. Ní ghlacan. Ní ghlacan. I wouldn't take. An wanha sawala? An wanha sawala? Would you stay in the home? Would you stay at home? Danhan. Danhan. I would stay. I would stay. Ní anhan. Ní anhan. With ni, the negative, we keep shevu, but we do not have the dikasu, whether it's a vowel or it begins with F. Get rid of the dikasu, but keep the shevu. So danhin, positive, I would stay. Ni anhin, I wouldn't stay. You don't say ni danhin, ni anhin. An gyanoha cha? An gyanoha cha? Would you buy a house? Ceannaigh. Ceannaigh. I would buy. Ní Ceannaigh. Ní Ceannaigh. I wouldn't buy. And then with vowels, an iroha. An iroha ní smulya. An iroha ní smulya. Would you get up later? Would you get up later? Would you rise later? As you can see here, we don't have uru. It's a vowel, so nothing. And we have to remove that dikasu. No dikasu in the question. An iroha. An iroha ní smulya. Would you get up later? Girowan. Girowan, which I just realized sounds like Chirowan. Girowan. In Tyrone. Girowan Girowan. I would get up in Tyrone. Wow, that's a great sentence. Girowan Girowan. That's so weird. Agus sinné, Jamhíimiid Tráth gceist bug inis sinad na bríomhre rialta sa Modh Coinníollach, ní raibh sé chomh hulk, an raibh? Sin é a chairde tásúla gom gurhain sibh sult as an tránagéist sin agus an ís an seo, ach ar a rís má chaithí tú, tá mé cinse go gcaithí sibh. Nábí burtha mana digan tú ag céad faoin gcéad anois. Tásúla gom gurhain sibh sultas, bhí go leor daoine ag géirí físeán faoin Modh Coinníollach le tamil fada tabrónarm, ach mar tháinig sibh bhí mé gríthe leis na bhlagan a bhí go leor bhlagan agam ach tá mé ré a bheith ag teagas a rís. Sa chéad ís an eile a bheith meidir gach ar na bríomhraine réalta, agus an sin if sa Modh Coinníollach tá sé táhairta fásta. Gur míle maigah agus slán go fóil.